Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here background apps, and now just turn off the first option here, turn it off, and then type here game mode and go to game mode settings. Turn on this option, make sure it's on, and go to Xbox Game Bar, disable this one and also the first one here. Now close this window, and now just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. But if that also doesn't fix your problem, type here Minecraft and then right click on it and go to app settings, and now just scroll down until you find repair and click on it, and that's it. After that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.